Welcome to my channel. This is the Coffee King of Van. This is my first time taking making these videos, not only to share my experience with fellow traders or investors, but also just to remind myself about the daily activities and the overall stock market. So let's get started. So on February, I'm gonna read two paragraphs. On February 20, 2025, the U.S. stock market experienced a modest decline. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite both edged lower by approximately 0.4 and 0.5%, respectively, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by about 1%. Notably, Walmart stock dropped 6.5% due to a weaker than expected profit forecast, influenced by high inflation and potential tariffs. Other companies such as Palantir Technologies, Axiom Enterprise, and Carvana also saw significant stock decline. Conversely, Mercado Mercado Loop's stock surges over 10% following strong earnings reports. Additionally, the electric vehicle manufacturer Nikola filed for bankruptcy amid financial and operational challenges. Investors are advised to adopt a more defensive stance, updating watch list and preparing strategic exit plan in response to market volatility. So let's take a look at today's market. So today is February 20, 2025. The market has been closed. At the time of this video, it's about 5:37 p.m. Eastern time. So let's go through the the next paragraph about earnings. On February 20, 2025, several U.S. public companies reported notable earnings. The first one is Walmart. Walmart reported a strong holiday sales with U.S. same-store sales rising 4.6% and e-commerce revenue increasing by 16% for the quarter ending January 31, 2025. Despite this, the company issued a cautious outlook for the upcoming year, citing potential consumer hesitancy and the impact of tariffs. This guidance led to a 6% drop in Walmart share price. The second one is the Rivian. Rivian, the electrical vehicle manufacturer, achieved his first positive gross profit of 170 million in Q4 2024, despite a net loss of $743 million, an improvement from the 1.5 billion net loss in Q4 2023. Full year revenue reached $4.5 million with 51,579 vehicle deliveries. Rivian anticipates selling fewer vehicles in 2025, estimating 46,000 to 51,000 units due to regulatory and demand challenges. Shake Shack. The next one is Shake Shack. If you are in New York, then you probably know this company because this is very famous food chain. Shake Shack, the fast casual burger chain, reported a 15 years over year increase in revenue to 328.7 million for Q4, with adjusted earning per share of $0.25, surpassing estimate. Same-store sales grew by 4.3%. Shake Shack announced plan to expand its company-owned restaurant from 450 to 1,500 locations, reflecting significant growth ambition. So let's look at energy. There's a company earning today. It's called CenterPoint Energy Inc., ticker symbol CNP. The utility company reported over $1 billion in profit of 2024, a 152 million increase from the 2023. Despite challenges for severe weather event, the growth was driven by increasing electricity demand in Houston area, with projection indicating a nearly 50% rise in peak demand by 2031. CenterPoint has proposed a 5.75 billion US dollars plan to enhance grid resilience against extreme weather. The last but not least, is the Wayfair. Wayfair, the online retailer, reported a fourth quarter loss of 25 cents per share, exceeding the expected 0.01, so actually the 1 cent loss. However, revenue was slightly above expectations at $3.12 billion. The company outlook for the first quarter suggests a stable but to slightly declining revenue compared to the previous year, influenced by its exit from German market. These earnings report reflect a mix of strong performance and cautious outlooks influenced by the factors such as consumer behavior, regulatory challenges, and economic uncertainties. I hope this can help you to understand some little news, some news here in the U.S. about the stock market, and thank you for watching today.